My little cleaner. Hey Ryan, do it over here too. There you go. Look at him go. He specifically requested to do this. This is not child labor. There you go. You're doing great. You're doing a great job. Do you like the vacuum? Do you like the vacuum, Ryan? Huh? He has his own little vacuum, but he doesn't like to use it. Not as powerful, I guess. Let me get away. There you go. You're doing a good job. Oh, am I on your way? Sorry. Sorry. Oh, you are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. Have to work on the cord thing. She wants to drive it straight. There we go. There we go. Let me help with the cord, okay? There we go. The floor is yours. You have the floor, man. He's really quite good at this. You're really quite good. You are doing a great job, man. Oh, and just think of the energy. Are you done? Are you done? You ready to turn it off? Okay. Oh, you're not done? Here, let me push it back down. There you go. Calm down. See? Proof. He wants to do it. Oh, good job. Here, let's turn the rollers off. Hold on. Oh. There we go. There you go. Go clean out from under your chair where you make a mess. There you go. Good job. Good job.